In this video, I'm going to give you my plan to make money from generating ultra-realistic images using the incredible Flux AI image generator and a make automation to create some amazing content in minutes. I'm making this video now because the workflow has become so simple that anyone can do this. All you need for this workflow is an Amazon product, its description, and a referral link. And that's how simple it is. I'll show you how to generate these images and I'll show you how to turn them into passive income content, and wait till the end of the video. You'll be even more amazed with Flux AI. Let's jump into it. Before signing up, you're out in the field by yourself. After signing up, you're traveling with a guide down a known path. Before you sign up, everything is overwhelming. After you sign up, it's all organized and systematized. Before you sign up, you got to have a whole team doing this work for you. After you sign up, everything is automated on a computer. How to generate ultra-realistic images from Flux AI and Make.com. You've likely already heard of the Flux image generator because the results are pretty incredible. These images look great. They look like real-life photos. They're totally impressive. For this video of the image generation, I've set up a really simple demonstration with a spreadsheet, a prompt generator. The whole system goes through and it posts it into two different places so we can take a look at it. The purpose of this is to create images of something that is going to sell and make some money. So for this example, I'm going over to Amazon Best Sellers and I'm going to drill down into sports and outdoors, hunting and fishing, and here are the top sellers for fishing. I don't think I have any fishing line, so let's do this braided fishing line, and this will be the product that we do our automation on, and let's see what it builds us for this fishing line spool. We're going to take 3 pieces of content, we're going to put it into our spreadsheet, and then we'll run the automation. So we need the title, the description, and the link. So I'm going to take this as the title, the braided, and then for the description, I'll grab all of this, and then for the link, I'll grab my Amazon referral link and put that into place. One last thing to check in our automation. As the automation starts up, it's going to look into this spreadsheet under this sheet, and it's looking for anything that is status marked ready. So inside this spreadsheet, I'm going to change this status now to ready. And then when we run the automation, it'll recognize this. The next step in the automation is to have ChatGPT take this information and create a product prompt. What I'm looking for is the product should be on a table or on a shelf or on a white background. The product is hyper realistic and I want it to have the text "I Fish Canada" down in the bottom corner. That command will be sent over to the Black Forest Labs Flux image generator. And the way we did that is to go into the HTTP protocols, grab the information, then those variables are sent off to the Replicate API, and we give this some time to generate the image. Then we make the request to pull the image back. We get that file, we upload that file to Google Docs, and then I'm also posting it to a page on Facebook and a page on LinkedIn. And afterwards, our spreadsheet is updated to let us know that this one has been fired. So we have the information in place, everything should be ready to go. So let's run this and see what happens. And that was our simple version. We have a more complicated version that adds in a couple more steps with ChatGPT so that it's writing articles about the item itself and then posting it onto Medium where we can edit and then later we can share with our social media. There we go, now it's uploading to Google Drive and you should route it over to Facebook and to LinkedIn as well. That'll update our spreadsheet. There we go, our spreadsheet is updated so that we have the file ID for the image, and we also have the status has changed to let the spreadsheet know that this one has already been run. So now let's refresh our Facebook page and see what actually turned up from this. All right, so what I set this up to do is just to post a notification that this is here. So check out this AI image I generated from the following prompt. Create a hyper-realistic product image of braided fishing line. The fishing line should be displayed on a table or shelf against a clean white background, greater abrasion resistance, and the text "I Fish Canada" should be in small contrasting front position at the bottom. So we got it pretty good. "I Fish Canada," not bad. When I get a couple more that really stand out the way I want, I'm going to take those and I'm going to use them as examples for the AI so that it slowly trains it to do it more and more exactly what I want. But to me, this is super exciting because now I can create an image around a story and link back to the product. And you can see here in the spreadsheet for the more detailed articles, I'm already prepared for a number of different items that people would use for a fishing trip checklist. This flow is much the same as we just witnessed with the image generation, but it includes a couple important points where it does the customer research of everybody's comments about the product in question. Then it generates the image prompt based on the customer responses. So we should be seeing people experiencing the product inside this image more than just the product on a shelf. And then as this automation goes through, it creates a problem, agitate, solve article based on the customer research. So if people are having this kind of difficulty, that is written into the problem, agitate, solve article. So now the image itself is contextual to the problems that the people are having with this product. And then the problem, agitate, solve article agitates that difficulty and then explains how this product solves that issue. And the idea is with this example flow is that we're taking these amazing images and then we're finding a way to tell a story around it that will convert people into a sale, that will help them purchase the product and solve the problem they're having. So let's run another sample automation and see how this one turns out. I set up the spreadsheet so that it will grab mosquito coils as the next article. I figure it'll be a good complement to the article we just released yesterday on DEET, the insect repellent. So now we'll run the automation. It goes to Amazon. It actually reads the product and gets the product reviews to see what people are actually saying about it, whether it's good or bad, and it summarizes all that. Then it uses that information for the image so that it's making the image prompt contextual. Let's see if we can look at this. So hyper-realistic product image of mosquitoes coils, visually appealing outdoor scene, showcases the coils in a setup of a typical evening gathering, such as on a patio or near a campfire, highlighting their effectiveness for repelling insect. Incorporate elements such as outdoor seating, warm ambient lighting, and greenery to enhance the settings. Ensure the smoke from the coils is subtly visible, adding to the atmosphere. Include the text I fish Canada in contrast at the bottom. It is sent off that command to the replicate API, and then the automation has a sleep period where it sits for a full minute and it waits and it gives lots of time for the image to be generated. There we go. It's grabbing it, uploading it to our Google Docs for storage and reuse later if it's a good image. Now we're writing the problem, agitate, solve article, which is taking those customer reviews, things that they were saying that were emotional to them are now included into this problem, agitate the problem, and then solve the problem with the product. That everything is then, the image is uploaded to Medium, and all of those parts are put together as a draft inside the Medium publication that we can go and check out. And then more than that, everything is also stored inside our spreadsheet so that we can repurpose this content later. So here's the draft submission and the image is there. So we go to the mosquito coils and I Fish Canada turned out amazing. Those are not mosquito coils, but it's okay. I can use that, and then what I can do is to add in some stock images here and look for mosquito coils and see if we actually get a mosquito coil. So my image didn't turn out to be that good. It's not bad, I can use it. So the images are great. Now I can go through and I can read the article, I can space it out, and I can format it so that we have different parts of the article standing out where it fits. And I'll go through and I'll read it carefully. And then I get down to the key benefits and what people are actually saying about the product. So I am super excited about this content, but you know, this is only one of the Flux generators out there. There are several of them, and I'm setting up automations so that we can choose which one we want to generate the images from. Now that we're set up on Replicate, it's easy to start going through all of these and find which ones are most powerful and then set up automations so that we can just click a button and generate an image from each of these. Not only do we have Black Forest Labs Flux Pro, which we were using, but we've also got the Realism one, which is fantastic. The LoRa Trainer, where you can put your own images in. I'll do a video on that one tomorrow because I'll be putting my own images in there. I'm going to train that one so that it creates my own images, and I want to have my image holding those products. These are absolutely astonishing things that are going on with image generation. And after we're generating these images and we have these all automated, I'm going to automate them turned into video. But that's coming next. I don't want to get ahead of myself because there's so much going on. It's easy to get overwhelmed with everything. So one step at a time, I want to get these products out there. I want to fill up my website with products posts that are going to earn money over time. If you want to grab this automation and many more, you can join up over on AI Business Plans. There's a 7-day trial, so you can log in, download everything, get everything working for free, and get money coming in. Or if you want some help, you can stick around and we'll help you get everything going. Before signing up, you're out in the field by yourself. After signing up, you're traveling with a guide down a known path. Before you sign up, everything is overwhelming. After you sign up, it's all organized and systematized. Before you sign up, you got to have a whole team doing this work for you. After you sign up, everything is automated on a computer. Before you sign up, you felt good doing a blog post and one social media update. After you sign up, you're going to have a whole machine working for you. Before you sign up, you got to be doing the manual work. After you sign up, lots of it is automated. I'd love to have you aboard. Grab the blueprints and let's get them working for us. Be safe, everyone. Here's to your success.